Welcome back, first grade. Let's check in. You're looking for level 2, DIY 4. Make sure you have this paper and a pencil. Now, you're going to see me working in pen, but that's just so you can see it better. You need to have a pencil. Alright, so in this DIY, we're adding by using number lines. Now, you'll notice this big blank space right here. You can just ignore that. That had an example there that I didn't like, so I just covered it up. So don't worry about that empty space right there. Alright, so let's practice solving some problems like this using number lines. Okay? Now, we're not going to practice these same exact problems together. We're going to practice similar ones. So here I have some number lines. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Alright, so let's say I wanted to solve the problem 3 plus 5 equals something. Now, what I like to do is to circle or underline my start number, and that's going to tell me where I'm going to start on my number line. So to solve 3 plus 5 equals something, I'm going to start on number 3, and I like to draw a little dot on my start number just like that. This number is called my hop number. It's going to tell me how many hops I need to make. Now, if we are adding, we're going to move right on the number line. We're going to go in this direction. You'll notice the numbers are increasing or getting larger as you move to the right on the number line. When we're adding, we're going to hop this way. So I'm going to start on 3, and then I'm going to draw 5 hops. 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4 hops, 5 hops. And then I like to box the number that I landed on. Now, another way to make sure that you actually took 5 hops is you can count the bumps on your number line. So I want to make sure that I really took 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's just a way that you can double check your work to make sure you took the correct amount of hops. Alright, so I started at 3, I took my 5 hops, and I landed on 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8. Let's try another one. This time, let's solve 1 plus 6 equals something. Alright, so my start number is 1. I'm going to underline that start number. I'm also going to draw a dot on my start number. This digit tells me how many hops to make. So let's draw 6 hops. 1 hop, 2 hops, 3 hops, 4 hops, 5 hops, 6 hops. Again, I can go back and count my hops to make sure I actually hopped 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm ready to box the number I landed on. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Okay, let's try this one together. 0 plus 5 equals something. Here's my start number of 0. Draw a dot on my start number. Now I'm ready to take 5 hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Box the number that I stopped at. I also like to double check and make sure that I indeed took enough hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 plus 5 equals 5. Alright, my friends. Now, here's your paper. Remember, we're just ignoring this. That had an example there that I didn't like. And you're going to show us what you know about solving the following addition equations on number lines. And a reminder, they are not the same equations. So don't think that you can just copy down what I put. They are not the same problem. Okay, these are completely different problems than the ones you and I practiced together. And if you haven't already, go ahead and write your name right up here somewhere in the white space. Okay, Math Monsters, here you go. Can't wait to see what you have to show us about adding